Question 27. Point P is rotated 120 degrees counterclockwise around a circle with a diameter of 6 meters. If the center of the circle is at the origin, what coordinates represent the location of P' relative to the center? In order to find the coordinates of P', we need to use the trigonometric functions cosine and sine. Cosine is equal to x over h. We can isolate x by multiplying each side by h. Sine is equal to y over h. We can isolate y by multiplying each side by h. Once we have isolated the x and y values, we have to determine the values of the hypotenuse and the angle. We are told that the diameter of the circle is 6 meters long, which means that the radius is 3 meters long. We can use the radius since it is also the hypotenuse of the x and y components of P'. When using trigonometric functions, we need to use a reference angle. P' is rotated 120 degrees counterclockwise from the positive x-axis. It is 60 degrees from the nearest x-axis, which is the same as pi over 3. Using the hand trick, cosine of pi over 3 is the square root of 1 over 2, and sine of pi over 3 is the square root of 3 over 2. Now we can solve for x and y. X is equal to 3 times the square root of 1 over 2, which simplifies to 3 over 2. Y is equal to 3 times the square root of 3 over 2. Finally, we have to determine the signs for both values. P' is located in the second quadrant, where x values are negative and y values are positive. This matches answer choice A. Alternatively, we can use a calculator. We can translate the word problem into polar coordinates, then the calculator will automatically switch them into rectangular. To do this, we have to plug in the coordinates of P' in the form h, theta. The hypotenuse is 3, and the point was rotated 120 degrees. You should yield these answers. Now all we have to do is convert all the answer choices to rectangular mode. Plug each of them in and press enter. You should yield these answers. The only answer choice that matches our answer is A.